Madou Bowl Cake Workshop, a Taiwanese girl's culinary adventure. Introduction. Welcome to the Taiwanese Girls Food Workshop, where we'll explore the art of making Madou Bowl Cake, wangor, while practicing English. Today, our charming host, Lily, will guide you step by step through this delicious cultural journey. Get ready for fun, teamwork, and tasty rewards. How to play. 1. Participants. Gather 3 to 5 friends or classmates. Everyone becomes a chef in training. 2. Objective. Learn a recipe for Madou Bowl Cake while enhancing your English vocabulary and speaking skills. 3. Game rules. Each player takes turns adding a step of the recipe in English. If someone forgets or repeats a step, they're out for that round. The last chef standing wins the title of Bowl Cake Master. Recipe steps in English. 1. Mix rice flour and water to make the batter. 2. Prepare the toppings: dried shrimp, mushrooms, and pork. 3. Stir-fry the toppings with soy sauce and sugar. 4. Pour the batter into a bowl and add the toppings. 5. Steam the bowl for 15 minutes. 6. Let it cool slightly, then serve with sweet soy sauce. Lily's tips for success. Listen carefully to your friend's steps. Use fun expressions like first, next, or finally to stay on track. Enjoy a warm bowl of Madou Bowl Cake together after the game.